Do you have any monetizable features?
I don't have any monetizable features. I'm designed to be a helpful and informative AI assistant, and I don't have any features that generate revenue.
Alright guys, so you're welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video we want to talk about creative ways you can actually use Gemini to earn money online. Creative ways you can actually leverage Gemini to earn money online. And in this particular video I have a single method that actually works right here in Nigeria, and this is something I've actually used. You need to note that normally you cannot monetize Gemini just like what it actually says. You can't monetize Gemini directly. If you are actually creative, there are some methods you can actually use to monetize Gemini right here in Nigeria. Just pay attention, that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV, where I talk about different online side hustles that can actually help you to earn money online just with your smartphone. So if you want to be getting more videos from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Guys, please do well to join my community on Telegram, on WhatsApp, so that you can actually get more updates from me, guys. Thank you very much if you've actually done that. So let's dive right in. And like I said before, you cannot directly monetize Gemini in any way. You have to note that Gemini does not have a monetizable feature like a button where you click and you actually get paid. No. So this is just an AI assistant tool that can help you do different things, and you can only make money from it if you decide to use it creatively. That's how you actually earn money from it. All right. So if Google actually creates an AI, which means you have a lot of opportunity, because Google is a very, very big company. Google owns YouTube, Gmail, and so many other products that are actually popular. So if Google actually has an AI and you're using that AI, which means there should be a lot of benefits attached to that particular AI. Not everybody that actually will have this app in their phone, but if you don't see it in your phone, or what you have to do, just come down to Google Play Store and search for Gemini. You can see right here Google Gemini. So if it's actually supported for your device, you're going to see it right here. So just go ahead and click on it and open it right here. You can see I already have it installed in my phone. The Gemini already have 7 million review, 4.6 stars ratings, over 100 million downloads already. Gemini was released on the 5th of February 2024. So in just 1 year plus, Gemini has over 100 million downloads. So this is actually a good opportunity for small businesses. So this is the interface of Google Gemini. You can see Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can see they say personalization slash preview, upgrade to Google AI Pro. This one is a new upgrade. Let me click on that. Let's see. Get Gemini Pro and more with Google AI and plan. So you can actually go for their free version right here. So let's use the free version. This is not what we want to use at all. Right here at the bottom, you're going to see they have writing editor. They have this one, brainstormer. They call it brainstormer, and this other one they call it career guide. This one they call it coding partner. This one they call it learning coach. So what we want to use is this writing editor. That's what we want to use in today's tutorial. You can see right here. Why are we using this writing editor, and how are we going to make money out of this? That's what I want to talk about today. The next thing you have to do right is just for you to go to your Facebook page. So like I said, you actually look for trending topics in your own area. So I want Gemini to write me a script, right? So for your Nigerian celebrity gossip channel, we are going to make this script super entertaining, funny, and straight to the point. What are your main goals for this video? Just deliver the news in an engaging way. So that's what I'm gonna go. Let's wait and see what is going to generate. It actually wrote a script right here. If you look very well, the thing right here is that the script is actually messy because there are some guidelines that he wants you to follow. I don't want to follow these guidelines, so I'm actually going to tell it to actually fix this for me. Plain script right here without any additional illustrations and everything, and this is actually good. And I said you should give me a script for a 10-minute video. There are two things you can actually do with these scripts. Number one, you can use AI to create a voiceover. Number two, you can actually use a human voiceover. I'm actually going to recommend a human voiceover. Now, there's a reason why I'm doing that. It's going to be relatable and human friendly. A lot of people know the way AI sounds. If you're not really good, you won't be able to know how to modify the AI voices. So you have to make it relatable and entertaining. So I'm going to recommend you use a human voiceover. You can actually voice over it by yourself. It's just to read the script with your microphone. That's all what you do here. So you can decide to voice over the script by yourself, or you can decide to give it to a friend, or you can decide to call somebody to help you out, or if you have the money, you can pay for a human voiceover. So that's what that's what I can recommend you to do. Don't use AI voiceover, but you can only use AI if you know how to modify the AI voiceover. Are you getting me? That's now the reason why I'm actually using Google Gemini to actually write this script. If I paste this on Gemini, it's just going to go straight to the articles, straight to the videos, wherever they are, pick up the topics, drop it. I get me. So that is how this actually works. That's why I like Gemini for writing the script. There is a tool I've been using personally, and it has been effective for me. They call this tool Image Search Man. So it's actually going to give you different photos or different materials you're going to need. Downside right here is that you're going to see art. You have your voiceover, you have your topic, and you have your materials and everything. So the next thing right here that you need to do is for you to actually put everything together and make a video. I get him. So I'm going to recommend, if you're a beginner and you're just starting out, I'm actually going to recommend this tool right here called InShot. I use InShot to edit all my videos. That's the truth. You can actually use the free version of InShot. So how can you really make money with this? Create a Facebook page and create a YouTube channel. Now remember, I told you this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is actually a practical way to make money online. So if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, well, this video is not for you. This is a practical method to make money online. I get me. And this actually requires a lot of effort and a lot of patience. You start posting this particular content consistently, and one of the ways to grow your channel is for you to actually post consistently, and it's for you to also post trending topics. If you don't really know much about YouTube, you can learn from Video IQ and Think Media. So how are you actually getting paid? So right here on YouTube, once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can actually monetize your content. That's how you're actually getting paid, because YouTube right here actually monetize content that are actually eligible. That's why I told you before to actually use a human voiceover, so that's going to be relatable. It's going to be easier for you to monetize without any issues and any copyright issues and everything. So what you do is that you create this content consistently on YouTube. You publish this content based on the latest trend, and you actually monetize this content and you actually get paid. All what you have to do just for you to be active enough to get these topics when they are actually out there as fast as you can, and publish it when others are actually publishing it, and you can actually monetize these, so your video can actually go viral and you can actually monetize this and make money for yourself. So this is a method I'm actually using personally. For me, I'm actually using this on my Faceless YouTube channel. So you can actually try this and actually use this to make money for yourself. Mind you, this actually works, but it's going to take a lot of time, because it's going to need you to put in the effort, because without the effort, well, this is not going to work out for you guys. So try this method and tell me what you think in the comment section, guys. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.